Following proper wall preparation steps before installation is the key to a successful removal. There are two options for removal. The first and recommended option is dry strippable. You'll need the following tools: dish detergent, putty knife or scraper, a utility knife, a bucket and warm water, and a sponge. You will also need a ladder. If walls were properly prepared before installation, pre-pasted removable smooth should be able to peel off the wall without applying any water. Start with the panel that was installed last in the room. Using a putty knife, utility knife, or scraper, gently lift the corner of the wallpaper from the wall. Pull the wallpaper away from the wall at a 10-degree angle. Continue to move your hands as you pull the paper, keeping your hands closest to where the paper is still attached to the wall. If the dry strippable method isn't working, applying warm water can help reactivate the paste and allow you to remove the paper from the wall. Wet removal can be messy, so cover all furniture or move it out of the way. Cover floors and baseboards with a drop cloth or plastic sheeting. Use painter's tape to attach the covering above moldings to protect them from water. Be sure to have extra towels to help clean up any excess water. Using a spray bottle or sponge, start applying warm water onto the face of the wallpaper from the bottom of the panel and work your way to the top. Once the panel is thoroughly wet, wait about 10 to 20 minutes to allow the water to soak in. Once the water has absorbed through the paper, use a putty knife, utility knife, or scraper to gently lift the corner of the wallpaper from the wall and try to peel it off. If the paper is still sticking to the wall, re-wet the paper and wait for the water to soak in. Repeat wetting the paper as many times as needed to complete the removal. Once all the wallpaper has been removed, use a sponge with warm water and a little dish detergent to wipe down walls, cleaning off any small bits of paste that didn't come off when you removed the paper. Now you are ready to prep and prime your walls for your next project.